Good afternoon, everyone. Good morning, good evening, wherever you are. Welcome to the stream. Tech Find, Abubakar, Kaku. Welcome, everyone that's already on the chat. Hope you guys are all doing well. Abdi Sheikh, welcome. If it's your first time watching on this channel, make sure you are subscribed. And before we get started, I ask you to do one thing. If you could like the stream, that would be amazing. So just click on the like on this stream. Okay. Subscribed already. Great. Great. Nice to see. Let me know how your Monday is going, everyone. Are you in any trades currently? Have you made a profit, made a loss? Let me know. I want to know what trades you guys are in already. We're going to be breaking down gold. As always, we always start off the stream by breaking down gold. So that's what we're going to do today. As well as looking at pound pairs as well, and Euro USD, USD JPY, and New Zealand dollar. Yes, gold now. Okay. Abubakar, have you placed a gold trade or you are looking to place a gold trade? Let me know. All right, so gold right now, let's just get into it. Gold right now at the 4,080 level. And so we did see a breakout from this region here, which was a very interesting zone. The 4020, I did say if it breaks above and it closes above this zone, we will see a continuation towards the upside. And that's exactly what's happened. So we're going to see what we can break down. I believe the next zone for gold is somewhere around 4,000, 4,100, more or less. Hey there, Arrow Trades. Welcome, Ethan. Ganesh, I see you. Guys, if you're watching the stream, make sure you click on the like button. Okay, as always, we're going to be doing a giveaway as well. And this giveaway can be random at any time. So yeah, we had a breakout of gold from the zone that I mentioned here, the 4020 zone. Okay, it broke out and then it broke the next zone, which is 4060. So a lot of bullish momentum currently with gold. I would say the two levels to look at this point with gold is 4,100 and 4,050 region. Okay. In terms of looking for shorts when it comes to gold at the moment, obviously it's bullish right now, but if I am looking for shorts, I would like to see a close below the 4,053 region. Okay. So something like this, I would like to see. Arrow said, if 4085 level breaks, I am buying. That would be risky, Arrow trades. Big fan, appreciate it. Gold is totally bullish today. Yeah, this is just preparation for if I'm looking for shorts. With gold, I am waiting for a close below that level. Okay. In terms of going long right now, the reason why I'm favoring shorts more is long term. I do see gold going to the 3,700 region. And so in terms of my analysis, I always keep that in mind. Um, yeah, if I'm going long with gold, I want to see a break and a close above 4,100. Should we go long? No, I'm not advising you as to what you should do. This is just your analysis. However, um, at this point, I am favoring shorts more. Considering if it goes below the level that I've highlighted on screen, if it goes below that level, I'm more interested in shorts. However, if it can break the 4,100 level, then obviously I would consider going long. However, right now, it's literally in between these two zones. And I always say, don't play in between, right? It's literally in between two zones right now. And so you gotta wait for either to for it to break above or to close below. I think if you wanna be even more risky and maybe have an earlier entry, waiting for a close and wait for a close below the 4,066 level would be an earlier entry. I captured 250 pips in gold today. Well done, Arrow Trades. Do you trade the Nasdaq? No, I don't trade the Nasdaq. Should we go long? Like I said, it's just analysis. Gold view now. We're just waiting for a break above or a close below. It's just a wait and see game at the moment. We did have a bullish wave. If you caught that, well done, you know. However, right now, obviously, price slightly starting to slow down. And so we want to have that patience and we want to wait for some more clarity. Okay. If you get in now, it's literally a higher risk. What is your favorite pair to trade? Currently, I like trading gold. Usually, my favorite pair would be pound AUD or pound JPY if it's not gold. So yeah, we're just waiting for that closed below the 4,067 region. If we can get that, that could be an early possible entry. Okay. I'm not looking for longs at the moment until we get a close above 4,100, like I said. Okay, moving on. Pound JPY. Pound JPY currently at a resistance zone. You can see, okay, at the moment at this resistance zone. So, what am I looking for? Let's have a look. I would say, I would wait for price to possibly close above this region. So if I'm going long, I want to see a close above this region. Okay, close above for potential longs. Reason why I say potential, I have to monitor the price action when it closes above 203, 232. Okay. If it closes above, it's not an immediate buy, but I'd like to monitor it and see how price is reacting. Okay. Um, yeah, we'll come back to GJ though. I want to look at the other pairs. Pound USD. Let me get rid of this. Yeah, with pound USD, in terms of longs, I'm just waiting for a close above this region. I want to see a close above for longs. Okay, I want to see price close above for me to consider going long. Any advice for new traders? Yeah, we're going to be doing a Q&A session when I'm done with the analysis. So just stay tuned. Um, yeah, so pound USD, same thing in terms of going long, which I expect a lot of the pound pairs to be more bullish in the next few weeks. So in terms of going long, I would like to see a close above this region, 1.31871, and then we could target the next zone. Moving on to pound Swiss. Okay, let's have a look. Yeah, I would say pound Swiss. I would like to see it come to this region, but right now it's in between these two zones, and so I'd say until it can break above 1.06331, there's nothing to look at with pound Swiss at the moment. USD JPY, I will have a look at USD JPY. Just be patient. Pound CAD. Let's have a look at pound CAD. Pound Canadian dollar. Are you guys trading any pound pairs today? Let me know. You guys can see why I'm highlighting. Okay, all these zones, and now you see it here. So I'd say again, bullish momentum with pound pairs. I do see that happening in the next few upcoming weeks. In terms of pound CAD, I'd like to see it hold this area. Okay, the 1.84370 region. I'd like to see it stay above. Yeah, for now, I'd say that. Okay, but I would say boring price action with pound CAD at the moment, at least according to the style that I trade. Pound New Zealand. All right, pound New Zealand. I would say the level to look at would be 2.34544. I want to see a break above 2.34 540 region for me to consider going long. At the moment, it's in between these zones. So until price can break above 2.34 540 region, in terms of me looking for longs when it comes to pound pairs, I'm not interested in looking at pound New Zealand. Okay, pound AUD. Let's have a look. Sir, which session is best for support and resistance trading, London or New York? You don't need to focus on what session when it comes to support and resistance, Mr. Agro. Your support and resistance levels apply to all trading sessions. You plot your levels based on price action, not timing. Okay. All right. Pound AUD, very simple. Currently on a support zone. Okay. I want to see price break above this region right here for me to consider going long with pound AUD, Australian dollar. So break and close above for me to go long. Simple. That's if I'm looking for longs when it comes to pound AUD. Okay. We're gonna look at gold, life in motion. Just let me wrap up the pound pairs. Next up, we have USD JPY. Yeah, very simple when it comes to USD JPY at the moment. I want to see a break and close above here. Okay. I want to see close above for longs. If price can close above 154 430, more or less, I will consider going long with the USD JPY. Okay, it's an area of resistance. Okay. And price breaking above would be quite interesting. So let's see. Let's wait and see. Euro USD. Let's have a look at Euro USD. Can we use support and resistance with RSI for confirmation? You can use any indicator that you wish to use, as long as it works for you. Okay, Mr. Agro. It doesn't matter if you're using a RSI or Fibonacci, whatever you're using, just make sure you've back tested, and it works for you. If it works, then carry on doing it. All right, so Euro USD, in between these two zones, like I always say, when price is in between resistance and support, I just avoid looking at it when it's right in the middle, in between. So in terms of going along when it comes to Euro USD, I would like to see a break above 1.15933. A break and close above 1.15933. I would go long targeting this next zone, which is 1.16453. Okay. In terms of going short, obviously, I would like to see a close below 1.15264. And we could target this next zone for shorts. But at the moment, I'd say just wait and see. Can we look for longs in Euro USD? Like I said, if it breaks above that region that I've highlighted, then I'll consider going long. Okay. But yeah, let's see how Euro USD moves. Next up, New Zealand dollar. I would say there's potential for New Zealand dollar to start being more bullish. A lot of potential. However, what I'd like to see is price break above this region. I want to see price break and close above 0.56685 for me to consider going long, and targets being 0.57241 to begin with, and potentially 0.57685. All right, we're done with the analysis. We're going to go back to gold. Okay, so now we're going to be doing a Q&A session. If you have any trading questions, that you want me to answer, now would be your time to leave it in the chat. So we'll get started. I have just started. Trader Sir, could you avoid spamming on the chat? I'm reading your question right now, so there's no need to spam. Excuse me, guys. Sorry, sir. Yeah, it's okay. Just avoid spamming, Trader Sir. You just need to leave a chat one time. I will read it, I promise. I've just started future trading. What should I focus on? Should I focus on risk reward or should I focus on win rate? You should focus on everything. Everything, when it comes to trading, it all matters. It's not just one thing. Okay, risk reward is important, as well as win rate, as well as risk management. So there's no one particular thing you should focus on when it comes to trading. You should try and focus on all, right? You need to have good risk reward, as well as a good win rate, as well as good risk management, as well as a good strategy. So it's not, should I focus on risk reward and have a 1% win rate? Like, you got to focus on everything. So this is why I recommend backtesting. Backtesting allows you to set up a trading strategy, which obviously involves risk reward and win rate and risk management, etc., that works for you. Okay, you should be backtesting to figure out exactly what, if it's 1-to-1 that works for you, 1-to-3 that works for you, and what kind of win rate works for you as well, according to that strategy. So it's not about what should I focus on, risk reward or win rate. They both matter. Okay. How many pairs should a trader trade? I would say not too much to where you're confused and you're always looking for trades to take, but just find a few pairs that work for you. Okay. It could be 5, it could be 4, it could just be 1. Whatever works for you that allows you to be hyper focused, that's the right number. Okay. In trading, it's not about who can take as many trades as possible. It's about who can trade as many who can take as many quality trades as possible. It's about quality, not quantity. You could have a trader who's trading 100 times a day, making less than someone who's maybe taking 2 trades a day. Why? Because obviously, the one that's making more with less trades has more capital for sure at times, and also is hyper focused. They've studied what pair works for them, and they've cut the noise out. So try to trade as less pairs as possible. Good day. Please, how long should a backtesting last? As long as it takes for you to develop a good trading system. Simple. What I recommend, though, to go further into detail, is a minimum of 50 trades. However, ideally 100 trades. So you will take 50 trades on a backtesting software. 50 trades. If you are profitable overall after 50 trades, ideally 100, then I would say you're good to go. The benefit of backtesting is you can speed up the time. So those 50 trades could be, if you really want to, you could finish that within a week, maybe even less. How to manage your losing streak? I would say losing streaks are normal for every type of trader. For every, I don't know one trader that hasn't had a losing streak, the point being is that should be within your trading strategy for you to still make it out and be profitable. Like when you backtest, the point of backtesting is this: you're preparing for the worst case scenario. If you have a losing streaks, and you make it out and still be profitable. Okay, so the way you manage it is by preparing during your backtesting phase. Okay, when you're backtesting, you're preparing for a losing streak. And also you could have winning streaks as well. Same way you can have losing streaks. What is the best advice you can give me if I'm starting a future trading? I don't personally trade futures. However, trading is trading overall. It starts with psychology. Um, it also starts with risk management. If you can develop the habit of managing your risk and managing your psychology and your mindset towards the trades that you take, that would be a good base for more success. Okay. I feel less confident after I lose, and then I lose my profitable trades as well. Life in motion. What I'll say is this: if you feel less confident when you lose, you should understand that there's no one trader in the markets that doesn't have a loss. Okay, so it's perfectly normal. What you should avoid doing is revenge trading. So you lose a trade and you say to yourself, okay, that's how it is. I'm gonna take a trade right after this to make up the loss. Let's say you have $1,000 loss on one trade. You're gonna take a trade right after, not for the purposes of it being a genuine setup, but for the purposes of making back your losses. And I'll just tell you this: you're gonna spiral out of control. So the point being is, you take a loss, calm, take a little break, go about it the same way you did before. Okay. I feel like trading overall makes you understand that you have to manage or regulate your emotions. What's more important for beginners, strategy or psychology? They both matter. They both matter. It's not one or the other. They both matter. You need to have a good strategy. And if your psychology is terrible, then you won't make it far. You will not make it far. If you can't take a loss, see, the thing you have to understand about money is it comes and it goes. Money is flowing. It's going to one person, it's coming to another person. So the idea of losing should not create fear in your mind because there's so much money going around and money's flowing at all times. So part of psychology is understanding just because I lose, it does not mean that money won't come right back. Okay, it's an investment. And psychology as well as strategy, they both matter, Mr. Agronomist. I would say work in both. Brother, I buy 10K instant account for AquaFunded. What do you think? Can I make $2,000? I'm a new trader. Should I try to make $2,000 or should I make less? You're going about it the wrong way. Why are you stuck on the number 2,000? Why? Um, why are you focusing on a particular amount? See, you're going about it the wrong way. You're trying to make 20% returns. Okay. What I will say is this: You have an account, take it trade by trade. Obviously, have a goal in mind, have a destination in mind. However, don't be hyper focused on making this particular amount. Okay, that's gonna have you taking far more risk than necessary, and you're gonna blow your account. Good question. Is it a good idea to always put your stop loss at break even to avoid losing money? Um, I would say it depends. It's a trade by trade basis. However, when it comes to stop loss at break even, I've seen a lot of traders spiral out of control by having stops at break even. I'll give you a quick example. Let's say you're in profit $1,000. You've just placed a trade, you're in profit $1,000. Okay. You put stops in break even, you go, maybe you leave your room, come back, stops have been hit. You've broken even, meaning you haven't made a loss, you haven't made a profit. I've seen traders because they had a floating profit of $1,000 and now pretty much nothing in that trade. They would kind of revenge trade and get in the markets again and just take the wrong approach. Okay, so when it comes to stops that break even, I would say it depends. It really depends. If it hits break even, are you willing to walk away? Because if it hits break even and you're going to place a trade right after, then that's not something I'd advise. How much realistic return we should expect to make in a month? There is no such thing as realistic. You shouldn't have a particular percentage return. Okay. What you should do is manage your trades well, um, and see how your system performs. Anyone that says, oh, you can make 15% a month every month is a lie, because in trading, you can make 8% one month, 15% another month, maybe break even another month, maybe have a losing month. It's changing, right? So you should judge it based on 2 quarters or end of the year, depending on how you would like to go about it. What do you do to calm your mind after a bad day? Step out of the charts, go work out, go for a walk. Why did you skip my comments? Let me see what you've commented. I don't see. Oh, there we go. What's your favorite time to trade gold? London session, New York session, Asian session. To be honest, I would say New York. Yeah, I'd say New York. It depends though. Sometimes it's London session as well. It really depends. I don't have a favorite, but if my setup forms, then it forms. There's no favorite time. Best focus on risk reward or win rate. I've already answered that question earlier. I've said you should focus on everything. It's not one or the other. Bro replied to me, is the $1 to 1K account really working? You would have to speak to the team, open a Discord ticket and ask them if it's working, sir. Sir, do professional traders set return goals or just focus on process? I would say just according to what I do, focus on the process. Okay. Just focus on each trade as it comes. I have seen most of the traders just flaunt their money and cars, but when I see you and your advice, I think you are telling people the reality of trading and what is important in trading. Yeah, 100%. When it comes to trading, it's not about being flashy. It's just about having a system that works for you. A lot of people get into trading um, with unrealistic expectations. Okay. Don't let anyone online lie to you. This is a skill that you need to develop. Trading is a skill. And until you can learn this skill, you won't be successful. Okay. Just like any other role in the world, it is a skill. And if you're not prepared for the losses, then you won't be prepared for the wins. I didn't get the notification for your live session. I recommend you click on the notification bell on the channel and it will notify you whenever I go live or whenever someone else goes live. How will you prepare yourself for next day or next week? I don't. When it comes to trading, say I haven't traded today. The way I prepare for tomorrow is by waiting for tomorrow, right? I feel like after having been in this industry for many years, um, I kind of know what I'm looking for right away. I can go in the charts and I see quickly if I will trade that day or trade that session or not. The reason why it's a little slower now is because I'm on stream and trying to break it down. Okay. However, it takes me 5 minutes to know, 5, 10 minutes, maybe even less for me to know if I'm going to trade that day. So yeah, you don't prepare yourself. I mean, as long as you're mentally clear, you're good to go. Don't let someone tell you you need to start journaling at nighttime and etc. etc. No, just keep it simple. Keep it very simple. Trading is not about doing more, it's about doing less. It's not about trading more pairs. It's not about having more indicators. It's about having less. You see on my charts, it's very clear, right? Do less and make more. That's the goal. Maybe even take less trades and have less pairs to look at. So you're less mentally foggy, right? Do you journal and is it important for new traders too? Yeah, when it comes to journaling, what I recommend is you journal during the back testing phase. So 50 trades minimum, like I advised, you journal those trades. Also, in your journal, you should have a fully written out step by step list when it comes to your trading strategy. So what you look for, the rules that have to be set for that strategy that you've come up with, um, and the step by step for all of the different mechanisms to do with your trading strategy. So that's it. Apart from that, I don't think you need to journal. What's your advice for traders chasing unrealistic profit targets? You won't make it in this game long enough. Sure, you might make a big win now, but you won't make it long enough. I screenshot all my trades, so I analyze them on the weekend. Yeah, that's good. You should analyze them. The reason why is because it allows you to determine on the next trade that you take what you're kind of looking for. You're finding that similarity. So yeah, good thing arrow trades. Guys, we're gonna give away some accounts. Who's ready? Who's ready for some account giveaways? Let me know if you're ready for some account giveaways. Gold is currently in between these zones at the moment. So Until we can get a break below, I would say there's nothing to look at. All right, you guys are ready, yeah? You guys are ready. All right, everyone go. So this is for the 10K futures. We're going to be giving away the first 10K futures account. For you to qualify for the 10K futures account, what you're going to have to do is very simple. Go on the AquaTV Live Instagram page and comment on the recent picture of mine, and make sure you're following that page and you like the picture as well. Okay, this is for the 10K futures account. Go on AquaTV Live Instagram page. There's a recent picture of mine. Comment, like, and obviously make sure you're following the page. When you're done, just comment done on the chat here. I will leave the username in the chat. There we go. AquaTV Live is the Instagram username. You're going to go on it, comment, and that's it. This is for the 10K futures. All right. Now, there's a number that you have to guess from 1 to 19. Start commenting a number from 1 to 19. First person to guess wins. Okay? First person to guess the number from 1 to 19 wins the 10K futures account. We have a winner already. No, yeah, there we go. 17. I thought I was going to click on the wrong person. Life in Motion. Congratulations on winning the 10K futures account. Guys, we're going to be giving away some more accounts. So comment ready if you're ready for the next giveaway. Life in Motion. Congratulations on winning. Comment ready if you're ready for the next 10K futures account. All right. For a chance to win a 10K futures account, comment a number from 1 to 30. First person to guess the right number wins a 10K futures account. 1 to 30. Okay? The number is 1 to 30. Anything man. Anything man. Congratulations on winning the 10K futures account. Anything man. Congratulations. Okay? The number is 20. I'm surprised nobody gets that number right away, but the number is 20. Let me save your username. There we go. Anything man, Congratulations on winning the 10K futures account. Okay. All right. Who's ready for the 10K Forex account? Comment ready. Nobody comment numbers. Everyone stop commenting numbers. Just comment ready. You're ready. Comment ready. All right. For the 10K Forex account now, we're giving away 4 10K Forex accounts. That means 4 of you have the opportunity to win a 10K Forex account. Okay. With that being said, make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Okay. And you've liked the stream. You guys ready? Seems like you guys are ready. All right. Subscribed already. Perfect. Perfect. All right. First person, I'm going to make this so competitive. Okay. There's 30 of you on the screen right now. We'll make it very competitive. First person to guess a number from 1 to 15 wins this 10K Forex account. 1 to 15. Okay. 1 to 15. First person to drop the comment wins the 10K Forex account. We have a winner right away. ICT Master from India. Congratulations on winning the 10K Forex account. Congratulations. Next up, guys, stop coming to numbers. We've already said the winner, okay? No need to spam the number. Just say congrats. Everyone stop spamming the numbers. We've already given the account away. Well, we've got 3 more 10K Forex accounts that will be given away. Okay. The next giveaway I'll be picking from the Instagram comment. If you guys commented on the recent picture, stay done. I'm about to pick a winner from the Instagram comment for the next 10K Forex account. If you've commented on the Instagram page of AquaTV Live, say done. I'm about to pick the winner. Instagram comment picker. There we go. About to pick a comment. 1 minute. All right. Guys, I'm not the one that's choosing. It's going to be this random website. Okay. Okay. Picking the winner now. Make sure you've commented. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Find winner. Winners are being determined. Congrats. Here are the winners. Rushi Self Talk. Let me drop the username on the chat. The winner, congrats, is Rushi Self Talk. Okay, congrats to Rushi self-talk on winning the 10K Forex account. Okay. Now we're picking two more winners for the 10K Forex account. One is going to be a random comment on this chat. Okay, I'm giving you guys the clue. Whoever's commenting right now, unless if you spam, you're not qualified. I'm telling you now. But I will be picking a random comment on this chat, on the YouTube chat. And the last one is going to be whoever picks the right number. So we'll do the number first. I'm going to think of a number from 1 to 30. Okay, I've thought of the number. You guys comment the number in the chat for you to get a chance to win a 10K Forex account. Straight away, Gamer Double X has guessed the number. You can't make this up. Gamer Double X, congrats on picking 27. That was the number I was thinking about actually. So congrats on winning the 10K Forex account. Before I announce the last winner, I would like to say that if you use the code AquaTV, which is on the screen, it gives you 45% off of a Forex account, as well as it gives you a 65% off discount on futures accounts. Okay, so if you're looking for discounts, the code is AquaTV. We do have, guys, I have made a mistake. Apologies, I have made a mistake. It's come to my attention that Ganesh actually commented the number 27 before the previous winner. So I would like to apologize to the previous winner for that little mistake. Ganesh, you have won, and I apologize for not correcting that sooner. But again, congrats on you winning the 10K Forex account. Let me save your name right now. There we go. Ganesh, congrats on winning. I'm going to pick a random person now. The last giveaway. Trader Sir, send me a screenshot to my Instagram. I will confirm that. Trader Sir, send me a screen recording of what you're claiming to my Instagram at ForexDini. I'll leave my Instagram in the chat. Okay. By the time the stream ends, if you can send a screen recording of what you're claiming, I will correct it. All right. The last person to win the giveaway today, a 10K Forex account. Who's going to be the lucky person? Who is going to be the lucky person? Let's find out. Again, make sure you're subscribed to this channel. We go live. I go live Mondays, Thursdays, and Fridays. So Mondays and Fridays being London sessions, and Thursday being New York sessions. This live is about giving value, okay? Breaking down the charts, possibly entering trades live, giveaways. You guys get account giveaways. So let's grow this community. What I would say is If you're watching this stream, share this with a friend so you and your friends can join this giveaway together and learn together as well. Okay? Put your friends on, share with your friends and people that you know so that you guys can grow together. Okay? The last giveaway for the 10K Forex account. Appreciate it, Trader Sir. I see you. Um, Guys, there can only be one winner right now. Okay? So regardless of if you win, don't feel unlucky. Um, exactly. Mujahid said one winner, 30 contestants. It's gonna be hard to pick, but I want to go with someone. So let's see. The winner of the 10K account, and again, we do many giveaways. So if you don't win, there will be a chance to win in the future. The winner of the 10K Forex account, Mohammed Nuski or Nuski. Congrats on winning the 10K Forex account. Okay. Let me save your name. Guys, don't feel disappointed that you maybe didn't get chosen. I promise you, if you join these lives and you're active, I will pick you one day. Okay. So, with that being said, to everyone that's won the accounts on this stream, what you have to do to now redeem your prize is you open a Discord ticket, say that you've won on my stream, obviously show proof as well, and that's it. Simple. That's how you claim the accounts. Okay, you open a Discord ticket and you've shown proof, and that's it. You just have to wait. With that being said, guys, I really loved having you guys on the stream. On the next stream, I will make it as even more random as possible. I want more of you to win. Okay, so make sure you set the notification bell. So when I go live this Thursday in New York session, okay, if you go on the Instagram of AquaTV Live, we've posted the timing that I go live. Okay. I want to see you guys back on here. So will I see you guys back here on Thursday? Say comment number 2. If you're coming back on Thursday, comment number 2. I want to see. If I'm gonna see you here, New York session time, comment number 2. Perfect, perfect. I'm gonna be seeing you guys all here. Trader Sir, Saravana, Kaku, Saha, World Mirror, Abdi Sheikh, Kanish Kaur, Kaku, Buckle Jr., Mohammed Niski, King Sudar. I'm gonna see you back on here, Mr. Agonomist. Yeah, I'm gonna see you guys back on here for sure on Thursday. I appreciate everyone for joining the stream. This is the end of the stream. I hope to see you guys on Thursday. And again, it's gonna be a New York session. Okay. But yeah, that's the end of the stream. Appreciate everyone for joining. I'll see you guys on the next stream. Goodbye.